You can share your Spotify profile with friends so they can check out your favorite music and follow you if they wish. It is quite an easy process and you can share it via messages, WhatsApp, Telegram or any messaging apps as you wish. Here we will show you how you can share Spotify account easily. Open your Spotify app, tap Settings, tap on your name banner, tap on the three-dot icon. You will get these options. You can select any of them as you wish, or you can copy the link and paste it wherever you wish. We are using messages. The link is already in the message box. Select who you want to send the message and send it. Your friend can select the link from the messages. Now when your friend will tap on the link, it will redirect them to your profile. Now they can check out your profile and follow you if they wish. If someone follows you, it might take some time to appear it on your account. This is the way you can share your Spotify profile with others. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding Spotify, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.